In this episode, we talk about who maintenance care is best suited for. Let's go. Hi there, welcome to part 2 of a 10-part series on everything that you need to know about maintenance care. I'm Devon Hennig with SelectHub, and I'm here to give you a detailed tour and my honest, unbiased opinions about maintenance care, the platform, the pricing, the alternatives, and more. In this episode, we answer the question, who is maintenance care best suited for? Let's get into it. Maintenance care is best suited for organizations looking for a CMMS that's easy to use at an affordable price point with tons of flexibility. In terms of size, the average maintenance care customer has 10 users, although there are many examples of customers both larger and smaller. Title-wise, the person typically championing the solution is the maintenance director or maintenance manager, but it could also be the owner or CEO at smaller organizations. Perhaps the easiest way to discuss who maintenance care is best suited for is to break it down per industry. Here are the top 10 verticals where maintenance care works best today. Senior care. Whether you're running an assisted living facility, senior apartments, a retirement community, or other type of long-term care, maintenance care meets the high standards that residents deserve. Schedule preventative maintenance, create budgets, issue work orders, and pull reports catered to the senior care industry. Education. Managing school maintenance can be overwhelming. With maintenance care, you can help schools track work orders, implement preventative maintenance programs, and support students, teachers, and staff by providing a functional environment for academic success. Manufacturing. Maintenance care helps manufacturing businesses reduce equipment downtime, speed up maintenance tasks, and quickly access safety documentation within a single maintenance management system. Property management. Maintenance care helps property managers address repairs before they become expensive issues and maintain properties so they retain their value. Healthcare. Track compliance, create budgets, and schedule preventative maintenance for safe and functional hospitals, doctors' offices, and other medical care facilities. Government. From record keeping to preventative maintenance planning, maintenance care helps you stay compliant and prepared for inspections of government facilities. Hospitality. Deliver exceptional guest experiences while ensuring smooth facility operations by keeping rooms clean and free from damaged or broken equipment that might lead to bad reviews. Recreation. Maintenance care is great for maintaining recreational facilities like golf courses, amusement parks, and community pools, both in season and off season. Aviation. Maintenance care is used in a handful of high-traffic airports, including John F. Kennedy International Airport, LaGuardia Airport, and Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport. Elevate aircraft maintenance with software tailored for aviation. Transportation. Manage vehicle and transportation equipment tune-ups and repairs with a system that can be accessed by mechanics and maintenance teams on the fly through a mobile app. Maintain secure storage of vehicle documentation, track parts and inventory, and quickly assign tasks to team members from one system. Overall, maintenance care is good for both organizations with CMMS experience that need robust functionality, as well as businesses new to taking their maintenance needs digital. In fact, roughly 50% of maintenance care's customers migrated from another system, while 50% came from paper or didn't have anything at all. Both migrating and setting up from scratch can be done quickly, so rest assured you're in good hands, no matter your experience with CMMSs. There you go, who maintenance care is best suited for from a company size and industry perspective. Next up, we cover who they're not suited for and start talking features. For the rest of this series, including the full maintenance care alternatives and review, check out the link in the description. If you're at the point you just want to talk to someone or see maintenance care in action, get a demo in the description or download our CMMS resources. They're great if you're still in the research phase of your buying journey. All right, folks, that's it, that's all. Have a good one. Cheers.